How to fix iPhone lagging on power saving mode. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on the battery option there. Further, tap on battery health and charging option and then check your maximum capacity. If your battery health is below 80%, you might need a battery replacement for better performance. The next fix is go ahead and try to restart your iPhone, as a quick restart often fixes temporary slowdowns. Next, open settings again and tap on general and then on software update and further install any available updates, as Apple regularly improves performance in updates. Next, go back to settings homepage and tap on the accessibility option and then tap on motion. Here, go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for reduced motion, and optionally, you can also turn on prefer crossfade transitions toggle button too. Now, next fix is go back to settings and tap on general and then on background app refresh. Here, go ahead and tap on background app refresh again and turn off background app refresh completely. Next, go back to General and then tap on iPhone storage and make sure your iPhone has enough storage, as low storage can cause lag. So you can go ahead and delete unused apps, old photos, or large files. Also, make sure to enable low power mode only when needed, that is, when your battery is below 20%. You can then turn it off temporarily for apps or games that need full performance. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone lagging on power saving mode. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.